Welcome to Communication for Happiness, Dr. Sushil. And the cue card is describe a part of your city which is changing. And the cues are name of the part, what changes are coming, and why are they coming. See, change is the law of the universe. Everything is changing day by day. If things they remain stagnant, stagnant का मतलब होता है STAGNANT. Stagnant का मतलब जो बिना स्थायी रहती हैं, there will be no progress. See, and same is applicable on cities too. If you find a picture of any city, photograph of any city of 20 years back, and if you compare that like picture with the present state, you will find so much development, so many changes. I belong to Panipat. Panipat is a developing city. It's a textile hub. Moreover, a lot of people, they are busy in pickle making, and these two products of Panipat, they are famous across the world. Though all the parts of my city, they are progressing by leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds का मतलब होता है BYBLEAPSAND BOUNDS, very fast. Though all the parts of my city, they are progressing. Progress एक verb भी हो सकती है. Progress, progressed, progressed. But here I would like to describe the part where I have seen maximum development, or where maximum changes they have taken place. The part is the central part of my city, namely का मतलब होता है जिसका नाम है, namely NAMELY, namely Model Town. Earlier, there were, if we talk about 4 to 5 years back, there were very old buildings over there, and like they were very just big houses. I mean, because Panipat is, as I told you, an industrial hub. So people across the country, they come over here for jobs. Many big industries, apart from textile, pickle making, we have got refinery over here. They start coming to the city, and they want to live in like posh areas. Means like when it comes to good people, or people who have great designations, high designations, they love to live in posh areas. And Model Town is one of the posh areas of my city. Earlier there were very big houses. Now what are people doing means they are getting their houses demolished, and some people, they are buying their, some people, they are selling their premises to real estate agents, and multi-storied buildings, they are coming into being. Flats, like a lot of flats, they have been constructed, and like many buildings, they have come over here. Apart from it, earlier there were very less parks. Only one or two park was there in this area. Now, because as I told you, multi-storied buildings, they have come into existence. Come into existence का मतलब अस्तित्व में आना. So a lot of empty space is there, and many big parks with modern facilities, with a lot of greenery, they are in the Model Town. On the top of all these things, because a lot of people, they have started living over here, many shopping arcades, even one mall has been opened apart from shopping arcades, so that people who live over here, they can buy the items which they need in their daily life, and all brands are available over here. And See, if you ever go to this area, you will feel as if you have come somewhere else. Means all the roads, they are superb. No congestion. CONGESTION, इसको बोलेंगे congestion, भीड़ भड़ाका. No congestion. Traffic police is always there, and all these facilities, they make this area so great that everyone like loves to live over here. These changes, how come? There are different reasons. The first reason I told you, because this is the posh area, and people who are who are well off, WELL, well OFF, well off means very rich. They love to live in those areas where all amenities, 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 facilities, communities भी कहते हैं वो, all amenities are available. Plus this is the demand of the R, demand, DEMAND, demand of the R, HOUR, समय की ज़रूरत है, because all cities, they are getting populated, and just multi-storied buildings, they have become a trend of the cities. So this was the answer of this question, means a part of your city which is changing, what changes and why these changing are coming into that part. I'm Dr. Sushil from Communication for Happiness. We deal in IELTS, PTE, study visa, French and spoken English. We are in Panipat. If you are in Panipat, do visit us, and please subscribe our YouTube channel Communication for Happiness. Thank you.